That's actually mental.
So today's video is going to be a little bit mental, like the majority of most of my videos. So around a month ago, I did a video where it was called The Craziest Scam or something, and it was essentially me explaining to you guys how I bought this hot tub that you had to build yourself, right? And I bought it and months and months and months passed and it never got delivered and I thought I got scammed.
This is a cinema room. I'm pretty sure you guys won't have seen this in a while. Huge shout out as well to Amazon Fire TV for sponsoring today's video. They've said they've sent something to the office, Atlas, for the cinema room, so I can't wait to check that out later. And the weather in England has just been absolutely awful, but as you can see, this is the hot tub. It should be nice and steamy in there. Yeah, look at that.
Now the main reason as to why this hot tub isn't built yet is because, well, we built it ourselves, so
we didn't want to go ahead and screw the sides in if the thing was gonna leak. So we need to get that all sorted today,
simply because of something that I want to do this evening.
Oh, yeah.
Atlas, what's in the box? Is it for our experiment this evening, my dude, or not really? No? What is it, Atlas? You tell me.
Right, I am really hoping that this is not going to be painful in that we actually have leaks, because I haven't thought of what we're going to do if we actually have any leaks. And the last one. You can feel the heat sort of resonating from the tub that is the hot tub. It's actually boiling. Oh, this is crazy. We need to make sure this is insulated proper before the sides go back on. But it looks like we've got no leaks whatsoever, which is really, really good. But this is just one of the sides, so let's check the others.
Absolutely bone dry in there too. We just did a smashing job of building this. Right, let's get these sides on for good then.
As I've grown older, this is one of the things that I have learnt to hate.
It's the fact, Atlas, and you lot, that it gets, it gets super
dark, like early. It's 3 o'clock right now and the sun is pretty much like gone.
I'm gonna be giving away this one right here because I'm not a fan of this colour. So yeah, one of you can win this.
I think literally all I said you guys needed to do was just go and interact with me over on Twitter, and that is it. And that is bright. Okay. So funnily enough, Atlas is actually down here sniffing at all of this, but a couple of weeks back, Amazon sent me out this like huge care package thing, and it had like Wi-Fi bulbs in it, it had popcorn in it, it had like a popcorn holder, and it also had the brand new Fire TV cube inside of it. Well, ever since I built that cinema room, you know I built the cinema room at mine? Yeah, I never ever use it. Like, ever use the cinema room. In fact, if the issue with the cinema room is what I think it is, this is the most perfect solution. I don't think you can get anything better than one of these. I hope this is gonna be cool.
Oh, yeah.
You had a good time, Atlas? Yeah, you playing? Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, yeah.
Good boy, Atlas. Good boy.
Can't we just share a laugh?
Now, well, it's definitely been a while since you lot have seen this room. The series was absolutely massive that I did on this, and thank you so much for all the support on that. So it is a big shame that I don't really use this room, and I want to explain why.
Well, first off, this Amazon Fire TV cube is looking sick. Okay, so basically this is the lowdown of the cinema room. So first off, you've got to get all the lights to come on. So there's those two, the ceiling box, and then these lights in the roof.
And they're all smart bulbs, so the only way to actually get them on and off is by using your phone, and it takes so long.
The next thing, you need to turn on the TV, then you need to turn on the receiver, then you need to go over to the receiver and put it on game, then you have to turn the Xbox on.
Wait for the Xbox to turn on, probably do an update, and then connect to the internet.
Find an Xbox controller.
Sign in. You guys get the point, right? By this point, I'm just like, ah. Now this little guy, and I know it's really hard to see on this black unit here, but it's going to be outputting 4K to the huge screen here, no matter what I want to be watching, whether it's Amazon Prime or Netflix. No, I'm really crossing my fingers that hopefully with one voice command, I can have Alexa set the lights, turn on the amp, turn on the TV, and launch Netflix, and it will just work. As long as obviously all the smart devices are compatible with Alexa, which in my house, they are. So what else is in the box? Just the Alexa voice remote.
And some AAA batteries.
12 seconds later.
It says on the screen, we're back. Fire TV Cube can now turn your TV on and off. Sick. The only light in here is the light coming from the camera on the back of the iPad, but as you can see, I'm in the Alexa app. I can say, and I'll demo this in real time, Alexa, movie time. And as you can see, lights are coming on, even the ceiling lights, and now the TV in a second. The amplifier's turned on, and there we go. Now Atlas is taking up pretty much the good part of the sofa, but I could go down here and I can hold this remote and I can say, play Grand Tour. And you just see how quick it does it, ready? Done. Like, that's literally it. Loading now. So this has been super dope to check out early, the brand new Fire TV Cube. It has 100% just saved my cinema room. I might actually use this thing a little bit more now, so I'll put all the links to that in the description, but for now, I need to go and build another cinema outside.
That's fun.
Does it look okay? Okay, so this whole idea essentially started out as a tweet. I thought of it, mustered it up in my head, put it out on Twitter, and then, yeah, it just got an abundance of likes and interaction from you guys. So I went on to, what's it called?
Amazon Prime.
I ordered this 1080p projector. It was the sort of cheapest one I could find. This is going outside, by the way. I think it's raining right now. So whilst we're installing this, we're literally going to be getting all of this stuff wet. This make, Wimius, I have no idea what this is going to be like. It's the model
P20.
Oh! That scared the living daylight out of me. That was actually mental.
Here we go.
Okay, so I bought this like quick release mount. So this bit's going to be bolted to the pergola. Did I say that right?
Mm-hmm.
Pergola.
So I need to get that bolted to the projector.
Bolted.
Okay, so imagine that this bit is mounted to the top, and then essentially what you're going to do is just pick the projector up like that, and it's sort of a janky quick release mechanism dangling above a big tub of 40-degree water. Okay, so to make this actually work, so we can mount this onto one of the beams of the pergola, we're gonna have to do a little bit of DIY. Nice, look, it's like a little baby chainsaw. Does it? Does it look like it does it or not?
It's just hanging.
It's just hanging?
Yeah, look
Is that
at
not
it
what it's
swinging.
meant to do? Okay, so one of the things I've had to overcome is the fact that I installed a Sonos system out here with 2 speakers up there, and that Sonos unit is in the garage. So if you want to use those speakers, the source that's going to be playing on the projector needs to be in the garage. But don't worry, it's like, I think it's expanded. Just down here in my secret stash, take number 2, haha, there we go. I have found it. Come to me now. If I crimp the end of this, I can use this HDMI over Ethernet. I can use this HDMI over Ethernet extender to have something in the garage playing out here. What's going on? No, we can't do this. It's gonna have to happen now, isn't it? It's all here. We've got all the bits. We have our really cheap cloth sheet to hang out here to see if this is actually going to work or not. Okay, so that's gonna go there.
We'll literally be in some water though, that's the thing. We should just get the girls around and do it again.
Okay, one more. Can't believe it's raining and I'm out here putting a screen up in my garden. Like, this is the most crazy thing I've ever done. Look at that. Wait, turn the light off behind.
That's actually mental.
It's starting to rain. Like,
Yeah, it's getting a bit wet.
it's
so
getting
maybe-
a bit wet in it.
I mean, we've got it here. Yeah, take it down for now, I think.
For now, it is starting to rain quite a bit, but this is awesome.